Hello everyone. Let's take a look today at the new event parameter setting in the EntraPass. We have made some improvement starting EntraPass edition version 730 and up. Right before, we used to have the event parameter on the system event parameter. Right now, if you have done a new installation, if it's a new installation, you on the system, you will not find event parameter. Right? If you have done an upgrade, let's say you had a version 4, 5, 6, 7.0, and then you upgrade to 730, 750, 760, right? You will find on the system event parameter still the option because from an upgrade, you had your previous configuration, so it'll be up to you to activate the new option or keep your current configuration, right? For example, let's just take a look live. If I go in the EntraPass, right, and I go on the what it would be system, as we said, system, I don't have event parameter, right? But if you do, because your system came from an upgrade, you can go on the option and then you will go option system parameter, and on the alarm management, here you will not find the option activated, right? So from an upgrade, you will have to activate that yourself. So you go, as I just did, option, system parameter, alarm management, and you will add a check mark there to activate. The system will pop up automatically telling you a backup will be made, right? Uh, like that, it will make a backup for you, and then it will then activate the option. Because once it's activated, it cannot be undone. Right? In my system here, I cannot deactivate it. Right? So that's why it made a backup in case you want the previous option, so you can just restore a backup. So once you have activated that on the system, no more event parameter. So where we'll do our programming then. We'll just have to go on the definition, and everything is combined on trigger and alarm. So I click on trigger and alarm, right? Then I'm gonna do my programming. For these, let's do it practically, right? Let's confirm what we have. I have a KT400 controller there with doors. I have cards. I have one card, as you can see, I have an access granted. I have another card that I set as lost or stolen, right? And I'm gonna use that card lost and stolen, make a setup a way that if a user, if there was a card lost or stolen and it's been used, we want to know. So we're gonna do that using that situation, right? So the event access denied, card lost or stolen. Here we go. So we go definition, trigger. I'm gonna go in new, card lost or stolen, alarm, right? Component type door, because we're gonna swap it the door anyway. I can select a single component, but for that type, I think it doesn't matter which door. I want that in any door someone try a card was lost or stolen, I want an alarm. So for that, I select all component, right? Then I'm gonna select the event. I can go look for the event, or I can make a right click and I have the selection box and I can type loss. Then I select that. That's it. What next? Next, we'll go alarm notification. I want a 24/7 schedule there since this was created. Let me make sure it is a 24/7. Yep, it is. It was not just the name, but it is. I have some other setting there. Right, what we're gonna do for you, I'm gonna add the document, a PDF, where all the option will be explained. Actually, that documentation, as you can see there, everything, there is a lot, because we have added a lot of improvement for you. Okay, for example, here I can request that to be sent to all the workstation or sent to, uh, um, as you can see, acknowledge first based on operator acknowledge level. There's different stuff we can do. I'm gonna put it to go on all station. I can also make it mandatory for the operator to make a comment or no. I can put a schedule, so making sure that if I have an integration with other system that can be sent over. As I said, the documentation will help you see everything we have done, added for you. Okay, now uh, schedule added, everything is set. I save. Let's take a look. Okay, we can close. We're gonna swipe. I have access denied, card lost and stolen. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Okay, okay. As you can see, I already have sound and everything. That's now let's see. Those have been already set up there. So I had the video showing me the door, but how did we do that? Same. We went in the door, and here under where it says camera and video view, you link the camera close to the door. So let's say since I have my setup done for all the door, so let's say we will assign the camera close to the door, to each door. So when somebody swipe, not only I have the pop-up, right? I have also the camera if we have camera. Now I also add in alarms, and sound. So sometimes the operator might be, I don't know, doing maybe on a phone call, maybe adding note on something with an alarm, audio issue will get the operator attention. So where do we get that? You go to option and you have event color and priority. All right. So again, what's the event? Event was card loss. I can use the filter and I type loss and I see everything we've lost. I have camera video loss. No, that's not the one. Access denied, card loss. And I see the priority is number 5. Also see the color there. Huh. You see here, my access denied is red. And so you see where that red come from. Okay. So I identified the level of the alarm. Now all I have to do is to match with the sound that I want. I go, let me do it again, option, multimedia device. What was the level? It's 5. And as you can see here, I have already, let me make something else. Ding. So I have the sound matching the priority, 5. Also, I can add sound. If I want to, I can make my own custom sound. So let's see now. One more test. But I swipe and ping. All right. So here we go. I hope that video helped you with the new event parameter setting that we have added for you. And don't forget to take a look at the note below the video to access the PDF where you will find all the information improvement for you on that option. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.